Let's talk about different types of wires. A wire is a flexible strand of metal commonly formed by drawing the material through a hole in a die or draw plate. Wires come in various sizes called gauges. They are used to bear mechanical loads, often in the form of wire rope. In electricity and telecommunication signals, a wire contains a solid core of a single wire or separate strands in stranded or braided forms. Wires are usually cylindrical but can be made in square, hexagonal, flattened rectangular, or other cross sections for decorative or technical purposes. The term wire rope refers to a diameter larger than 9.5 millimeters, with smaller gauges designated as cables or cords. Originally made with wrought iron, steel is now the main material used for production. Wire ropes are used for lifting and hoisting in cranes and elevators, transmitting mechanical power, support structures for bridges and towers, and aerial tramways. A solid core or single-strand wire is made up of one piece of metal, usually surrounded by protective sheathing. It is less susceptible to corrosion because it has less surface area exposed to the environment. Solid core wires are used when less flexible wire is needed, such as building infrastructures, vehicle controls, and outdoor applications. Stranded wire consists of multiple small wires bundled or wrapped together. It is more flexible and has a higher resistance to metal fatigue than solid core wire. Stranded wires are used for AC line cords, musical instrument cables, welding electrode cables, and computer mouse cables, among other applications. Braided wire is composed of multiple small strands of wire that are braided together. Like stranded wires, braided wires are better conductors than solid core wires and are much more flexible. Braided wires are often used as electromagnetic shields in noise reduction cables. If you like this information on wires, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. For general information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching!